Hey guys, we are here and checked in at the Poly. So exciting. So, would you like a room tour? Come with me. Okay. This is your grand entrance, which is not much of a grand entrance, but you can have a shared room. We do not. So this is where we're storing our suitcase. We are not going to unpack, but I'll show you some things that you can. Jeremy is standing in the full bathroom.
This is DVC, by the way.
Toilet, shower, tub, sink. And then
Tiki birds.
you have your closet, safe, extra pillow,
It's nice as a laundry basket.
laundry basket, freezer, small fridge. There's some cheese in there. But this always has the microwave. See,
Yeah.
I can warm it up if I want to.
Oh yeah, you can.
Your plates and paper towels and all the things.
Nice Keurig.
Trash, recycle. And then your half bath, I guess, because it is a shower and it is a sink.
This right here, this rain shower head,
It
this
is.
is the best shower in Disney.
It is amazing.
As far as we know.
Rock work,
Yeah.
There's a bench. It is just amazing.
Yeah.
I do love it.
This is the best shower.
Yeah. So DVC, you can sleep 5. This is a
Oh, look at
This is
that.
a pull down with Stitch and Lilo. But we will not be using it this weekend. So because there's no drawers here, here's your one bed that you have. And then, where's it at? There it is.
That's really nice.
Bed drawer on each side. And then you still have under the bed
Yeah.
storage.
There's a ton of storage in here. I mean, again, if you're doing extended stays,
Except this.
right, that
This
does
is
not
not
have
open.
storage.
But you move it up. Well,
It's on wheels, right? Yeah.
kind of. I think the one wheel is broken. All right, we're gonna do that for right now because
See, if
this is your couch.
they sold this artwork exactly,
You put it in
I
our.
put it in our dining room.
And then this will be Rob and Tina's bed.
That's a fun sound.
Yeah. So if you notice, the TV says Welcome Stein and Benson. There is 4 in here. So because of that, there are 6 pillows total. So it's nice. We have the couch. We have the
So much
chairs,
space. Love it.
And then we have the balcony.
Now this is resort view.
Yes.
So as you walk out, we have a lovely view of, guess what? The resort. There's a grill area and barbecue and all down there.
I see water.
I can see the Contemporary.
Oh yeah.
And if you look right through there, I see, I don't know, I can't
Space
tell.
Mountain?
Space Mountain, maybe? No, that's Tron. I can see the bubble from Tron.
Okay.
So, this is a pretty good little resort view area, though.
Sure is. All right, let's close the door because it does not go above, or excuse me, below 68. So it's a little warm.